Hey guys, Jobie here from Little Star Renovations. Hope you're doing well. Hope you endured the banging and the crashing of demo. By now the demo is probably mostly wrapped up, and I quickly wanted to mention to you that although the demo is a big transformation very fast, from here on in things might slow down a little bit. And the reason for that is now we are recreating the space, so we have to be a lot more thoughtful. We have to take time. We might have uncovered some surprises through the demo that we have to negotiate and work our way through. So I just want to make sure that you don't expect massive change every time you come home, that you understand and fully realize that things from here on in might move a little bit slower. Reconstruction is always slower than destruction. Yes. So hang in there. We'll be back to see you soon.